Cats didn't ask to be our pets. They chose us. Over 9,000 years ago, humans began storing grain and unintentionally created a paradise for rats. Wild cats appeared not as pets, but as predators, silent hunters. Humans noticed. The cats weren't just useful. They were intelligent, clean, and independent. We didn't domesticate the cat. The cat adapted to us and stayed. In Egypt, they became sacred. In homes, they became family. But they were never truly tamed. Follow for more stories that changed the animal world and ours.